Hey, it's Ryan with Backroad Reviews, and in this review we're going to take a look at the Diode Dynamics LED light bar we have on our Jeep here. It has performed for multiple years and has been a real delight, especially when wheeling at night or setting up the campsite when you get somewhere when you just need that extra light. It has a really neat design for the heat sink and stainless steel hardware. It does work with the Topsy top removal brackets, so it's one of the one of those that will work together. And it's very simple to put on the rear hinge, and it doesn't interfere with anything. Super bright. You can adjust it however you want. It still has lots of light, even with the big tire on the tire carrier. And this has been on the Jeep for I think 3 years now, and you can tell it is, the fit and finish is awesome. Diode Dynamics makes an excellent product, and it's just super bright. The LEDs are fantastic. The wiring is top notch. Again, this has all been exposed as we've used it for years, and we've had no problems. We've had no problems with water getting into the lights, and no flickering of the lights. They use the best LEDs. Just a fantastic light bar. Fantastic light bar. I have this set up in the Jeep to run off the auxiliary switch, switch 1, which is super easy to wire. And if you take a look at the, you can definitely take this lens off if you have to. This is years and years of use, and we have had zero issues. Lots of compliments on this bar, and it just shoots out so much light. It's amazing. So again, super efficient LEDs, throwing out a ton of light. This will light up a whole campground when you're ready to set stuff up. It's amazing.